Shubham, Wasim. Yeah, Wasim.
Sir, I just joined in. Did you ask what is the maximum point?
Maximum coordinate point. What is the maximum coordinate point?
Just a
Rishika?
second.
30.
30. Yes, Anubhav. 30 is there. So that means at the coordinate point we require the 30. So now I'm going to draw a line here. Going to draw a line and want to make. Now see, you will see here how this solution will be. Graphical method is there. Now let's check it. This is the first quadrant I'm taking because our non-negative restrictions will be like that. So I call it x1. This is x1 and this is x2. I'm sorry, my drawing is very bad, but still I'm trying a straight line. So maximum is 30. So either you take the 5 difference on the scale, 5 scale or 10 scale or 2 scale. So when the scale is large, the graph will be small. Fine. So I'm taking it here as a 5. Then I'm taking this as 10. Then this is 15. This is 20. Then 25. Then 30. And then 35. Taking another point here on the y-axis or x2. This is 5. This is 10. This is 15. This is 20. This is 25. This is 30 and so on. Fine. So let me know what is the point here. So the first point is 0, 12 and 12, 0, right? This is the coordinate point. 0, 12 and 12, 0. Just I want to allocate the point 0, 12. So this is the x1, 0, x2, 12. So this will be the point 0 and 12. You can write it. This is the 0 and 12. Second point is 12 and first is 0. Is it the right point? And then 12, 0 means here we can have 12 means 12, 0 means this is the point that we call it 12 and 0. So I want to draw the line here. Just join these 2 points. You can have a line. So this is the line and you can make it as a straight line. थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेट लाइन कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे इसको स्केल से ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं क्या देखते हैं स्केल से ड्रॉ करके ओके फाइन okay, no issue. It's very difficult to draw through a scale. So now I'm trying to.
whiteboard वाला scale use कर सकते हैं.
यहाँ वाला.
हाँ.
So कैसे यूज करेंगे इसको यहाँ पे है ना थोड़ा सा घुमाना पड़ता है ना शायद कुछ इसको घुमाना मुश्किल है ना इसको नहीं हो पा रहा है इसको एक्चुअली 45 डिग्री पे है नहीं है इसको चेंज करना मुश्किल है ओके नो इशू so you can use your own scale so I'm trying oh baba okay so this is the equation number 1 you can make it like this is straight line so now tell me where we should shade it equation 1 is actually your equation here I'm just writing here for the rough point of view 3x1 plus 3x2 less than equal to 36 actually draw the equation with equal sign but actually it is a less than sign so less than sign means where either the value will be lie above this graph or below this line that will satisfy this equation right so where we can shade it if it is of less than sign then of course your physical you can shade it like this you can shade it like this fine you can shade it like this so just I'm using here because less than sign so we should shade below this line. Your shaded region is because 2 more line it is required. So just I'm using it here as a, that means your shaded region will be, that means presently your feasible region is from this and this. This is the triangular shape and this is your feasible region, right? This is your feasible region. But when we draw the more line, when you draw more line, this will reduce the feasible region, right? Because presently the feasible region is very big. So when you draw the second line, it makes a, like, see here, if you have a line like this is your feasible region. If you draw this line, and again if it is less than sign, so your feasible region, this will be out and this will be inside. So this will be the reduced feasible region rather than this one. Again when you draw another line, so this will be your new feasible region, a small one. So finding the optimum solution from the small feasible region is better. It will give the best result rather than finding the big feasible region. Getting my point? Same as in the data set, because when you go for the big data, you have to make it classification. You know classification? Yes. कुछ पढ़ा आप लोगों ने क्लासिफिकेशन के बारे में? आप लोग बोलिए कुछ. Classification, you know? Hello. Hello.
Sir.
Yes. So like classification, you have to stratify the data in the particular group or particular characteristics, so that you can find the solution best result from the small data, small strata. Similarly, your second equation is, what is your second equation? Second points. This is 0 and 25 and 10 and 0. So 0 and 25 is, where is 0? This is 0 and this is your 25. So this is the your point. This is another reason. This is 0 and 25 and the 10 and 0. So second point is 10 and 0. 10 and 0. So this is the 10 and 0. This is the 10 and 0. Now again you draw the line here. So when you draw this line, yes, I got it. Second equation, you just write the, you don't know, I don't write the full equation, you just name the equation 2 is there. So where it's feasible region, the second equation is 5x1 plus 2x2, this is less than equal to 50. So where the feasible region will lie? Where the feasible region will lie? Hello?
Sir, below the line.
Below the line. So already we have below this line is there. This is the feasible region. So this is all feasible region, but we have one line below this line. So we take this line also. But if you take here any point, suppose 5 and 10 is another point here, 5 and 10 below this line, this will satisfy this equation. There 5 5 is 25 and 10 to the 20. So this is 45. 45 is less than 50. So of course at this below this line, any point you can take below this line, this equation will be satisfied. So your below this line and below this line, actually your feasible region will be this line again for the second line also. So you bifurcate it. So this is the closed region. Now we'll go for the third equation, and the third equation is, your third equation is, this is the point 0 and 10. Third was 0 and 10. 0 and 10 is this point, 0 and 10, and 30 and 0. This is the 30 and 0 point. So I have to draw this line here. I have to draw this line, right? And this is the third equation. So your final feasible region is that further we have reduced this small part, right? So your actual feasible region is, this is your feasible region. This is your feasible region. This is your feasible region, right? Now the problem is your corner points. What is your corner points? So this is your corner points 1. This is your corner point, is called A. This is your corner point, this is called B. This is your corner point called C, and this is your corner point. This is called D, right? Like this. This will be like this shape. This will be like this small, then this, and then this, then this. So this point, this point, this point, this point, and this. So we have only the 5 points there that it will give out a feasible optimal solution. There are inside lot of the infinite infeasible solution. Sorry, so feasible solutions are there, infinite feasible solution inside there, but the objective is the maximization case. So this corner point will give you the maximization of the objective function, this corner point, because these are the points. So maximum point is lie on this corner point, on this corner point. So at this point it will lie. So you can go for how to solve this. Now come to the solution summary. So this is the graph that we have to draw. So we have to write it here, solution summary. How to write it? Solution summary is a very simple way. Here we have to write the points, then our corner points, you call it corner points. Then here you can write the coordinates, and coordinate is x1 and x2, and then you can write value of z, and value of z is what? 20 x1 plus 30 x2. This is the value of objective function. So these 3 points we should take it, we draw. So what are the corner points here? Come. The first corner point is, this is O, or O origin, and its coordinate is 0, 0. Then the second point is A. What is its coordinate? Who will tell me? What is the coordinate of the corner point A? Aditi, Aniket, Aniket is there. Devanshi.
10,0.
10, 0. Very good. Shubham Tripathi is there. Shubham Tripathi. ये लोग क्लास में है या टीम में है सिर्फ? शुभम महेश्वरी.
यस सर.
ओके, आप क्लास में आ गए या कहीं बाहर है, घूम रहे हैं?
नहीं सर, क्लास में ही हूँ.
क्लास में है नहीं है, आप टीम में है सिर्फ?
नहीं सर, क्लास में हूँ सर.
अच्छा, तो मैंने क्या सवाल पूछा?
सर आपने ए के कोऑर्डिनेट्स पूछे थे सर, मैं वो ढूंढ रहा था. एक्चुअली इक्वेशन लिखी भी नहीं थी मेरे पास.
अच्छा, क्यों नहीं लिखी थी?
सर मैंने जस्ट नोटबुक में लिखी थी सर, वो भी है नहीं यहाँ पे.
अच्छा, चलिए थोड़ा एक्टिव रहिए. आप लोग क्लास में रिस्पांस बहुत देर से करते हैं आप.
सॉरी सर.
अब ये करूंगा मैं कि सबके कैमरा ऑन होने चाहिए तभी पढ़ाऊंगा, अदरवाइज क्लास से बाहर. ये करूं मैं रोज? चलिए बताइए. एक रास्ता तो मेरे पास ये है, या तो आप रिस्पॉन्ड करिए या फिर कैमरा ऑन करके पढ़िए, दोनों में से एक है. रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे तो ठीक है, रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करेंगे मैं क्लास से बाहर करके एब्सेंट लगाऊंगा. और नहीं, दूसरा रास्ता है कि आप कैमरा ऑन करके बैठिए मेरे सामने और फिर रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे ऑटोमेटिकली. क्या चाहते हैं आप? 2 ऑप्शन में से कौन सा ऑप्शन चाहिए?
सर रिस्पॉन्ड.
कैमरा ऑन?
नहीं सर, रिस्पॉन्ड कर देंगे.
रिस्पॉन्ड?
यस सर.
तो अगर रिस्पॉन्ड जिसका नहीं मिला, 3 बार मैं बोलूंगा, जिसका रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं मिला उसको मैं यहाँ रजिस्टर में अटेंडेंस लगाता हूँ, मैं एब्सेंट लगा दूंगा. ठीक है?
ओके सर.
चलिए. So the coordinate is 10 and 0. What is the coordinate for B? अगर आप इसको ड्रॉ करेंगे ऐसे लाइन, तो आई थिंक ऐसे जाएगा ना, ऐसे है ना, ऐसे जाएगा ना. मेरे ख्याल से ये कितना होना चाहिए? 3 and 8 होना चाहिए ना, ऐसा कुछ लग रहा है मुझे, है ना. अगर आप बनाएंगे तो 8 and 3 हो जाएगा. आप देखिएगा, अगर एक्चुअल में जो ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते हैं ना ग्राफ पेपर पे, तो उस पर है ना ये मैश लाइन होती है ना, ये लाइंस, तो इससे आपको एक्चुअल पता चल जाएगा, है ना, ये कौन सी लाइन पे आ रही है ग्राफ. है ना, इससे पता चल जाएगा। तो आप देखिएगा, जस्ट इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड, इट माइट बी ए स्मॉल चेंज, बट लेट्स सी स्मॉल चेंज के बाद what is the coordinate point of C? Who will tell me approximately coordinate point of C? Who will tell me?
So 2,9 और 2,8 लाइक वो ड्रॉ करके देखना पड़ेगा सर।
ठीक है, चलो 2,9 ले लिया मैंने, है ना, ठीक है।
सर अपन दो लाइंस का इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट भी तो निकाल सकते हैं ना, उससे एक्यूरेट आंसर आ जाएगा।
हाँ हाँ, निकाल सकते हैं, बिल्कुल निकाल सकते हैं। तो
ओके
ग्राफ का फायदा होना चाहिए ना, ग्राफ पेपर पे।
ऑलराइट सर।
एंड देन डी पे आ जाएगा, डी का कोऑर्डिनेट क्या हो जाएगा, 0 and 10, ठीक है। नाउ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ z हियर, दिस इज 0, एट दिस z व्हाट इज द वैल्यू, 200, एट z इक्वल टू हियर कितना आ जाएगा, 8 2 60, 160 and 3 3 19, so 94, 250 ना, चेक करो, is it correct? You put the value
Yes
8
sir,
and
250 sir.
okay, now what is the value here, this is 40 and 9, 310, check,
Yes sir, 310 आ गया
this is
and
300.
300.
Okay, so what is your objective function, what is your objective of the problem, maximization, right? So what is the maximum value here in the z value,
310.
310, right? So we make a star here, 310, you can make a star here, 310, you can make a star here, 310, right? That means this corner point C, this is the corner point C, this, there are so many feasible solution, but there is one point C that will optimize your objective function, so we call it, this will give you the optimum solution. So what is the language that we can write it here, just I'm writing here the language, right? So a corner point C, right, 2,9 in feasible region maximizes objective function z equal to 310, है ना, therefore the optimal solution of given LPP is, this corner point 2 and 3 coordinates are there, we call it x1 star, this is equal to 2 units, if it is not given, x2 star, this is the 9 units, and maximum z, this is equal to 310, and this is your answer. बताइए इजी है कि नहीं, छोटे बच्चों के क्वेश्चन है ये, बताइए कहीं कोई डाउट हो रहा हो तो आपको।
नहीं सर, नो डाउट।
क्लियर है सर,
क्लियर है। चलिए मैं एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन देता हूँ, बहुत ही फास्ट, और मुझे इसका आंसर बताइए, देखता हूँ किसका आंसर बिल्कुल क्लोज आता है ना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, सॉल्व LPP बाय ग्राफिकल मेथड, मैक्स z इक्वल टू ओके 25x1 plus 20x2 subject to 16x1 plus 12x2 less than equal to 100, 16x1 plus 12x2 less than equal to 100, 8x1, 16x2 less than equal to 80, and x1, x2 greater than equal to 0. जल्दी से करके दिखाइए, just I am giving you 3 to 4 minutes is enough to tell me. The question is again repeating, 25x1, 20x2, 16x1, 12x2 less than equal to 100, 8x1 plus 16x2 less than equal to 80, x1, x2 greater than equal to 0. You solve it by graphical method, not other method. Yeah, answer please. Anyone can tell me answer? X1 star, X2 star, and this is maximum Z, so maximum of Z. Yeah, who will tell me the answer, please? You are doing.
60.
कितना?
160.
160. Great.
And 4 comma as 4 and 3 is x1, x2.
Devanshi, na? Right. So x1 is
Yes,
4, x2 is 3, and this is 160. Correct, na?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the one question, because I have so many questions and the good questions I have for your exam. So, okay. One question given again now for the practice. And then one question I'm going to solve again. Question number 3. Max Z equal to 90x1 plus 60x2 subject to 90x1 plus 60x2 subject to 5x1 plus 8x2 less than equal to 2000, x1 less than equal to 175, x2 less than equal to 225, 7x1 plus 4x2 less than equal to 1400. This is 1400, and x1 x2 greater than equal to 0. This is the question. Tomorrow I will make it verify what is the answer of this question. So I'm now going to solve another question. Okay. Okay. 100%. Okay. So this is the question. Now come to the another question. Question number 4. This is the case of minimization. Minimum Z equal to 20x1 plus 40x2 subject to 36x1 plus 6x2 less greater than, this is greater than equal to 108, 3x1 plus 12x2 greater than equal to 36, 20x1 plus 10x2 greater than equal to 100, and x1 x2 greater than equal to 0. Right? So minimum Z is 20x1 plus 40x2 subject to 36x1 plus 6x2 greater than equal to 108. We can also simplify this equation by just dividing by equation it by 3, 6. We can make it 6x1 plus x2 is greater than equal to 8. Something like that. 6 under 6, 18. So this kind of a question can further be reduced. 3x1 plus 12x2 greater than 36, 20x1 plus 10x2 greater than equal to 100, and x next to. So the same pattern we can go for, but the question is only points again. The solution is making the equation, making inequality constants into an equation So this is 36x1 plus 6x2 equal to 108. This is equation number 1. And what is its value here? You can write this equation. This is x1, this is x2. So x1 is 0, x2 is 0. So what is the value of x2 here? 18. So when x2 is 0, this is 3, I think. Is it correct now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 3x1 plus 12x2. This is equal to 36. Equation number 2. We go for this x1, x2 0 and 0. So 3x1 0, 3. This 0, 12. Third is 20x1 plus 10x2 equal to 100. 20x1 plus 10x2 equal to 100. This is equation number 3. We go for x1, x2. This is 0 and 0 again. You can make the value here. x1 0. This is 10. This is 0. This is 5. Fine. No issue. Now come to the graph of this equation. Simple way. We can draw the line. So we can draw the line here. And then this is the first quadrant. x1, x2. Highest value is 18. So we can take the 2 points. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. ये छोटा पड़ गया. 5 का ले लेते हैं ना, 5 का. चलो पूरा बताएंगे. So just I'm drawing the line here. x1, x2. The points are 0. चलो 5 का ले लेते हैं, थोड़ा बड़ा बन जाएगा, बहुत छोटा हो जाएगा. 3 का लेते हैं ना, 3 का. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Fine. So when you draw the graph, what is the point there? 0, 18 and 3, 0. 0, 18. So 0, 18 is, this is the point, 0, 18 and 3, 0. So 3, 0. अरे भाई कहाँ चला जाता है? 3, 0. 3, 0. This is the point. And just I am trying to draw a straight line. ये कहाँ से लाइन कहाँ जा रहा है? कैसे लाइन ड्रॉ करें? इसको ऐसे खींचे, ऐसे खींचे. हाँ चलो थोड़ा सा तो सही हुआ है, कोई बात नहीं. So this is equation number 1 and it's less, it is greater than sign. So where its feasible region will be? Where its feasible region will be, equation is greater than, fine, because the first equation is 36x1 plus 6x2 is greater than or equal to 108. So where the point will be there, where we can shade the equation, because this is less than or equal, greater than or equal sign. So we have to shade the graph. Where we should shade? Yeah, anyone in the class? Aniket? Aniket is there? Aniket? So better to leave the class, Aniket, if you cannot make. Okay. Sarthak Duggar? Sarthak Duggar?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
your
sir.
second class, no? To yesterday, I called you more than 10 times, but you have not responded me.
Sir, actually, sir, I reached hostel yesterday only, so I was just cleaning my room.
Okay, so you are in the hostel now.
Yes, I'm in the hostel.
So when you come to the classroom?
Sir, I came yesterday only, so I'll have to be quarantined for like 2 to 3 days. Oh,
Uh-huh.
sorry, 7 days. So I'll be
Okay, so
attending the
next
class.
weekend we will start the classroom also, eh?
Yeah, yes, sir, yes,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir. Sir, few students aren't in the hostel.
Okay. So classroom is classroom plus this online, both will like a hybrid mode. Through the projector I will teach you on the board, and this I will teach on the same on the team, but this will display on the board.
And sir, I wanted to meet you, so can I come tomorrow?
Yeah, please come with the proper sanitization.
Yes, it's obviously, sir. Sir, where is your cabin?
Third floor, mathematics department, 1AB.
Third. Okay, sir. I'll come tomorrow then.
Sure, come, welcome. So
Okay.
this is your second class now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So actually, my previous OE was eco philosophy, and I changed to optimization techniques.
Great, welcome. You will
Yes,
learn
sir.
something rather than going for eco and something like that. You learn something
Yeah.
for your career here.
Mm.
So this is the greater than sign. That means we should make the shading above this line, because when you take any point here, any point in this region, this is your feasible region for equation 1. Any point we can take it, this will satisfy this inequality constraints. Fine. Now for the second equation, what is your second equation? Second corner points, what you have? This is 0, 3 and 12, 0. So 0, 3, 0, 3 and 12, 0. This is your point. So just I want to draw this line, and this is the line, equation number 2. So we have to shade it above this line, right? Above this line. Similarly, what is this here? This is 20x1, no? 20x1. So this will be 0. So this will be 5. Is 10. Okay, 10. So 0 and 10. This is the point. 9, 10. So this is the point. I want to make it with the red color. This is the point. And 5, 0. So 5, 0 will be is close to 6 and 0. So I want to make this line here. And then this is the third line. Third line. So again it's feasible region, because this is all also it is in the of greater than sign. So your feasible region will be like that. So your feasible region will be like this. Now see, this is your feasible region. You can shade it outside of this region. So when you take all any points here, this is your feasible region. When you take any point in this region, infinite region, these all points will satisfy your inequality constraints. Now where are the corner points will be? Because this is the optimization minimization problem. So our corner point will be, this is our corner point A, this is our corner point B, this is our another corner point C, and this is your corner point D. So you have to take it like this, this outside outside this point, this point we can have the corner points. Fine. So this is your corner points where the minimizer, because here is the maximum. So when you go to this side, so this corner point, because when you have so many graph is there, so this is gives the maximum. When you go back to this point, so these are the corner points This will give you the minimum value. So these are the corner points. So now let me solve this point. Solve a question. Solution summary, you can write it like this. Solution summary, same solution summary, because tomorrow I will explain the mix point. Now come to the corner points, then coordinates, and then value of z. Value of z, and z is what? 20x1 plus 40x2. Fine. So your corner point is what? This is first is O, then A, then B, then C, and then D you have, right? Right. So this is B, C, and D you have. So this is the 0, 0. What is the corner point of A? Corner point of A is, where is corner point A? 12 and 0. Very good. C, B is what? B, this is very close to 5 and 4. 5 and 2.
4,2.
4,2. ठीक है? Okay. What is the C point? This is
2,6.
2,6. 2,6 नहीं है बेटा, इसमें 6 से ऊपर आ रहा है ना ये तो.
सर वो उसमें आ रहा है लेकिन ग्राफ में इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है 6 पे.
अच्छा 6 पे कर रहा है. हाँ तो मेरा ग्राफ मतलब टेढ़ा है ना. 2,6. चलो. And D is what?
18, 0,18.
0,18. Good. 0,18. So what is the value here? Z equal to 0, Z equal to 12, 240, then Z equal to 80 and 80, 160, then Z equal to 40 and 260. We check it please. 280 I think. 20, 40 and 280. Z equal to 720 है ना. सही है.
सर डाउट है.
हाँ.
सर इसमें O अपना कॉर्नर पॉइंट कैसे था?
गलत लिया है Z की वैल्यू, वरना तो हमेशा वही आएगा. वही मैं
वो नहीं आएगा ना मतलब?
नहीं आएगा, वो नहीं आएगा. वो मैंने उसको फ्लो में लिख दिया था.
अच्छा.
फ्लो में लिख दिया था. बट योर कॉर्नर पॉइंट इज ABCD. Fine. Now your objective is what? Minimization case, right? So what is the minimum value here? 160 and B corner point. The same as you can write it that the B is a the corner point B with coordinate 4 and 2. 2 minimizes objective function Z, that is Z equal to 160. Therefore optimum solution of LPP is x1 star 4 x2 star 2. If you want to write it unit also, and minimum Z equal to 160, and this is your answer. Easy है, बताइए.
Yes sir.
बहुत easy है. So going to stop now. Should I stop now?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Who has joined? Because 12 attendance is looking here. So who has joined right now? Because I have taken the attendance of 11 students. Subhankar Sen, Vanshika, okay. I will check.
Sir, I had joined the class late.
Who?
Sir, Yashsuri.
Why you have joined late?
Sir, I was setting my room. I had